Hello, this is Chris Mangan, and in this video I'm going to be sharing my reflection I had for this seminar. I'll first talk about what I've learned. One main point I continue to be brought back to is what it's like to be a student again. I feel as though I try to understand what my students are going through with juggling their life and school at the same time, but going through these seminars has really helped me relate to my students even more. For example, one of the first assignments in this particular seminar I did not complete correctly. It was not because I was trying to get out of an assignment or because I was an evil person. I just simply messed up on the assignment. And that was good for me because I can understand and see what students go through when they may not be able to understand something clearly. Now, as far as this course goes, as far as the seminar goes, the pedagogy that focused on learning from the literature was very helpful for me, and that it showed me a variety of ways to help my students with their scholarly writing. As far as what I contributed to this seminar, I really hope the difference I made was providing practical ways to work with doctoral students and the emphasis I put on treating any student with the utmost respect. I think it's really important, especially in an online environment, that we continue to understand that the doctoral students we are working with are people, and they have lives, they have families, and they need our help and our support as much as we can give them. So those are some things that I hope I contributed to this seminar. Now, thinking about what I learned and how it's going to change the way I teach, learning from the pedagogy was the main point that I took away from this seminar. I will use what I learned from this point and realize that just because someone has made it to the doctoral level does not mean they are an expert on scholarly writing, and they might even have developed some very bad habits that need to be addressed. So using this point will really help me approach my students in a certain way that I understand that they may have not had much training on higher level writing, and be able to be patient with them and not just think that all is lost if they don't really understand the whole process. Now, talking about how I'm going to apply what I learn. So the next time I teach, I will share the chapter with my students that focuses on learning from the literature. I think this resource will be helpful to any graduate or doctoral student. I know it was tough for me as a doctoral student because writing does not come naturally to me. So if students can understand the process to create high quality writing early in their doctoral career, that there might not be so many bad habits that they develop moving forward. Overall, this seminar was very helpful for me, and I know it will be, more importantly, helpful for my students that I work with in the future.